Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with an unboxing video from Lori Metz, and I haven't had anything from her in a while, and she had a really cool sale in hole-in-the-wall beads. So wanted to show you what I got. Sorry, my mat is so dirty. I have to buy new ones because all of them are just destroyed. So let's see. This is 3 feet of chain. This one is antique copper. So cool. I love antique copper. Oh, okay. I love chain. But this is really sweet. And I love that I can take those apart and use them as connectors if I'd like. And then I got it in antique brass. Love that. That'd be a lot. Like if you wanted to just make some vintage inspired earrings, you'd get a lot of earrings out of 3 feet of chain. Even just 1 foot of chain. If you use them as connectors. Oh, this is a thank you from her. Let's see what we got in here. Lots of fun stuff, I bet. Oh, these are beautiful. These are antique copper. Gosh, those are pretty. You don't even need to paint them. They're already starting, I think, to get their own natural patina on them. Those are gorgeous. And then, ooh, this is a really pretty glass bead. Look at the Aurora Borealis on that. It's beautiful orange color. Gosh, I want to use that as a pendant or something. Like maybe with like a cactus or something hanging under it. That would be cool. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. I mean, look at that. That would be gorgeous. You cannot tell on camera how gorgeous this bead is. I love it so much. And then, oh, some Halloween, antique brass Halloween charms. We got some kitties. Super cute. I know I don't think I have those in that color. A kitty toggle clasp with a fish toggle. That is so cute. I think I have that in silver. And then 2 little jack-o'-lanterns and a little kitty. I think this goes with the, it's like a charm that goes with this toggle set. Such a cute gift. Thank you so much, Lori. That is so sweet of you. I love a little extra. You know, not expected, but absolutely appreciated. All right. Then I got some more chain and like some more toggles, and then we'll move into the absolutely awesome filigree and stampings that I got from her. So she had a couple of these kits. These are just such lovely quality. Look, look at the quality on that copper toggle. So that goes, I'm thinking with this guy, so beautiful. You know I'm a sucker for a toggle, especially copper. Oh, look at the hearts. Okay, I'm guessing that goes with this one with the scrollies on it. And then this one probably goes with this little guy. It looks kind of like a barber pole or a wreath or a candy cane. And then we've got, oh, these are cute. This looks like an artisan clasp. I know it's not because you can see the lines where it came out of like a mold, but it's beautiful. And then a little tiny heart, and these are solid. These are not like light. They're not like super heavy, but they're not like lightweight. Love that set. And I think I got 2 of this set and 2 of a different set. So here is the second one of that one. I should have gotten like 10. But we have to edit ourselves. I'm going to Tucson tomorrow. Oh, beautiful. I think I have this, and probably another color, but another antique copper. I think this one goes with that one. Oh, beautiful. Where does this one go? I think this goes with that. So pretty. Then we have these 2. Gosh, that looks so Art Deco-y. I love the ball there at the top. Another swirly one. And then a cute little bow and arrow. But it's a heart instead of a bow. All right, and then here's the second one of those. Some more chain. Beautiful. It's like a Figaro chain, and it's like gold and copper. So brass and copper, I think. Beautiful. This is gorgeous. Some brass, like solid brass jump rings. I thought that was such a great deal. And they're gorgeous and 10 millimeter. They're very solid. These are great for things that you might need a little bit more heft to hold on to. And then I got that same chain in the beginning in gunmetal as well. Love it. Love, love, love. Okay, and then look at this big, it's big. Like, we're gonna have a lot to go through. It's all stampings and filigrees, which we all know I don't need anything more, but I'm obsessed with them, and I rarely use them because I don't have a great organization method for them right now. So if you have any suggestions, please, please, please leave me a comment, because I need help. I need help. And I'm like the organization guru, I swear. But when it comes to these things, because there's so many of them, I don't know how to organize them. Look at this. Just look at this. This is stunning. Sorry, I'm giving you a seasickness. Huge. It's very pliable, which I did not expect. And it's just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I always say that. I never know. A beautiful triangle, an oval. Now, these are stampings, and then this is a filigree. Okay, they're probably all stamped, but these are, I call these stampings because they're not like filigreed like these are. And then this one, I don't know if the middle is cut out. I know there are filigrees out there that have this around the outside, but there's also something in the middle. Cute little flower, I would say bead cap, but there's no hole there. It's just a flower filigree. This is neat. I would definitely like jazz this up with paint, or if not, gluing something to the middle. Another one of these. This is fun. Oh, 2 of them. That's great. There is no hole. So I would punch a hole or drill a hole. These kind of look like paint cups to me, because when I paint stuff, I use something that kind of looks like this, so that's what that reminds me of. Cute little flower filigrees. Another one of these ovals. This is cute. Looks like some kind of fruit or a leaf or something. It's beautiful. A large one of these. You could definitely bend this. I'm not going to, but I can see this being bent into a certain shape. And then 2 connectors. Oh gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at the flowers and leaves and stuff on that. So fun. So that was the first little collection that she put up for auction that I purchased, or one of the ones that I purchased. And I don't think any of these were more than $7. I think they were in the ballpark of $6 or $7. Not the chains and clasp, but these bigger mixes that I got. Okay, these are fun. They look like little baguettes, little bread loaves. This is fun. It looks like almost like punched fabric. Oh, cute little. I call this the emerald shape. Another one of these. Oh, this came from Chelsea's Beads at one point. Very pretty. Very nice. I love this. I really wanted this mix because I love stuff with eyes on them and faces. So this reminded me of an eye. This reminded me of an eye. And this reminded me of an eye. So it was just like, this has got your name all over it, Brittany. And then, look, we have more eye shapes, but not really reminding me of eyes. And then another one, like 2 more. So yeah, this one was calling my name. I think that's just one piece. Love this. I'm not kidding. Please tell me your storage ideas for these. So right now they're all just in big bags in a drawer that I never go into. Look at how big it is. It's like a whole leaf. I have no idea what I'm going to make with this, if anything, ever. Wow, that was pretty expensive back in the day. And then it's got like little tiny details all over it. I love that. And then we have a smaller version. Beautiful, slightly different finish. I love, love, love these. I don't even know if I have any of them, but I saw them in the kit or the mix. I was like, I need them. I love them. They are beads. They're so gorgeous. 2 little leaves. 2 different leaves. Those are so cute. Oh, another smaller version of that bigger one. That is so cool. Some more little leaves. And then another leaf None of these really had holes, but that's okay. Can always punch them, or I can figure it out, add a bail to them later. Add something with some copper. Got a big flower. We've got 2 little hearts. Oh, I love that. I love that. That would be cute, just like it is, or painted. Nice on a necklace or a pair of earrings. Or a charm bracelet. Aw, a little cameo. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, this is beautiful. I love that. You can bend that into, oh, very easily into a bracelet bar or a ring. Oh, here's some tiny versions of those bigger ones. Oh, a couple different sizes. These were the ones that she gave me as a gift. And then these 2 different versions that were in this little mix. This is gorgeous, stunning, amazing, fabulous, yummy. And then another, oh, there were larger ones in here too. Great. And then another filigree. This is great to glue some cabs to, a cameo. Another little piece. Did I have 2 of this one? No, but this would be cute. And some earrings. And then a flower. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I'm never, ever, ever disappointed with Lori's quality of stuff. I just love the stuff she has. All right, second to last, got some hammered brass. I bought 2 hammered brass lots. I thought they were really neat. Look at this guy. It's like an S or like a squiggle. I kind of like it for a squiggle. This one's from Chelsea's as well. So cool. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't need to know what I'm going to do with it. Maybe like, I have a huge brass donut, but I think like if I ever found like a really big gemstone donut, hanging that underneath would be really cool. Oh, look at this guy. That's neat. Looks like a plate or like a hole for a golf ball. I don't know. On a putting green. That's cool. It's a little not a filigree. Yeah, a filigree. Like shape, it's not filigree. I don't know. It's like a little swirl. Another one of these. A couple of these. Those would be cool on some earrings or on a bracelet somehow. Love this. I recently got one of these that was painted from Melissa, but I don't have one that's like solid brass like this. It's funny. This is slightly stamped, like cut off to the side. I don't know if that was done on purpose, but it's still pretty. 2 of these, great for earrings, and 2 of these, also great for earrings. These 2 have holes. Loved, love, love that. And then last but not least, one more hammered lot. This one had this huge piece, and I love that there are holes in it. It's very tribal. I mean, I would just need to put some African brass or bone or something with that, and it'd be good to go. Ooh, that's fun. Oh, another one from Chelsea's. I'm wondering if a lot of these are from there. Cool. This one has a loop on the back for a pendant. Cute. These are like go-go donuts. That's what I call them, that offset hole in a donut. Oh, do we have 2 of this one? No. That's pretty cool. Either way, like down would be pretty on an ear, like a necklace. Or if I had 2 of them, it would be cool this way on earrings. Oh, I love these shapes. That's fun. Similar, but not the same. Love this. This is one of the reasons why I got this one. This one and that really big one. This is cute. You can put a cameo on here, either that way or this way. And I do have some cameos. And then 2 little triangles. This order was amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you to Lori. Everything's my favorite. The eyes, I think, were my absolute favorite. And then the clasp. I just love everything. Everything's exceptional quality. Love shopping with Lori. I will leave a link to Hole in the Wall Beads to Stash. So it's where I buy these. She posts there on and off. So hopefully you can catch her if you end up joining the group. stay tuned for Goldie. Let me know how you would organize some of these and what are your favorite pieces. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.